Natalie, are you going to help Daddy build a shed today? You have your working dirt shirt on? Who else is outside? Truck? Who's outside? Did you see Papa? And Elmo was not outside. Who was outside?
Cookie.
Cookie was not outside.
Cookie.
It was Papa,
Elmo.
Dada,
Dada.
and
Elmo.
no, it was Ozzy.
Elmo.
Elmo was not outside building a shed with Daddy. Oh, thank you. Oh, hey. Thank you. Oh, you are a trickster. What are you eating for breakfast?
Cookie.
You're not eating cookie for breakfast. What are you eating? Ozzy? That's silly. You're eating blueberries and Cheerios
Elmo.
and Milky.
Cookie.
Yeah.
Up.
You want up out of there? Okay.